This is probably the last time I'm gonna do this because Lightning Cup is just rigged. Who's next that's gonna beat me? First it was Waluigi, then Dry Bones. So who's next? Waluigi, and after that, Dry Bones came a problem. So who's next? Because I want to know who's next. Mach Bike? You want? Let's go back to the Dolphin Dasher. I feel like the Dolphin Dasher never gave me any good luck. Alrighty, last time. No screw-ups, just to win, and I can win this cup. Move on to Special Cup, and that's about it. On to first race. SNES Mario Circuit the Third. Interesting. Hopefully I win this one. No screw-ups. Mega Mushroom at 8th, just like last time. Eat that. Oh, I meant to throw that back. You hit Toad, probably. And where bikes are like pretty easy in 8th Deluxe, being Diddy Kong. And Mario Kart Wii, indoor bikes are kind of easy, but in 8th Deluxe they're kind of hard to control. Just like my life. And Toad is... Okay, so I believe Toad is next. Now. Toad is next now. Good, Bowser. Now Toad is next. Alright. Get him. Can everyone stop going in my favor, please? And enough of these. Alright, Toad. Eat that. No. I barely... Oh, Blue Shell. You're not gonna have a bad time. Eat it, Donkey Kong. Yeah, alright. Eat that banana, because I know you like bananas. Get it, because you're DK. Dry Bones is again. Dry Bones is here again. That's the second time. Donkey Kong. Actually, Diddy Kong, never mind. I thought it was Donkey Kong. It was Diddy Kong. Oh, Diddy Dong. Oh, Diddy Dong. Oh, baby Peach. Dry Bones. Sorry, Dry Bones. Just go to the finish line and no screw-ups. Except for that. That tiny little... Just win. Just get me 5th. 6th! Who passed me? Bowser. 1/3 of a second. Nope. I can't come back from that. I cannot come back from a 6th place because Jack Black passed me at the last second. If only if that was me getting 1st. If I was him. Grand Prix. Alright, you know what? Yep, that'll exactly like Beatballs. Mach Bike. Going back to Mach Bike this time. Going back to Mach Bike this time. Because the Dolphin Dasher really screws me a lot. Back to Mach Bike we go. And also they try to make the Mach Bike in Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. They try to make it look like it a little bit. So, that's a good thing. That's gonna throw. And somebody just shoved Peach out of the way. Nice one. Yeah, triple shroom. Shove up my keister. I meant to go for the shortcut. That was a weird camera angle if I ever seen one. That was such a weird camera angle. I don't know why. It was. If only if you gave me this on N64 Bowser Castle. Returning now. Oh! Did Waluigi really just say home? Did Waluigi really just say that? Chris Luigi said it like a lot of times. And Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. Physics. Take that banana. Eat it. Nope. Of course. Right into a bomb. Right into a bomb. Use that mushroom right into a bomb. Alright, that's actual bullcrap right there. That's bullcrap. Actual bullcrap. Mirror, Beef Boss, Mach Bike, Manual, Lightning Cup. Let me win this time. Here we go. Back at it. Mario SNES, Mario Circuit the Third. Back at it again to have some fun. Yay! Kill me for this. Not really. Back to Mario Circuit the Third we go to have fun. And I slip on oil slick like an idiot. Eat that diddy dong. Get him. Good. You got Waluigi, you got Wario. Because, you know, Wario's the main target, so the Redstone went after Wario. Tribal's on your monster Titan. It's called a Titan. Just stop. I had enough of this. Walu, pow. Go, pow. Well, Luigi definitely pow dodged it. Go. Mario. Damn. Luigi. Eat it. Now this is much better in Mario Circuit, SNES Mario Circuit the Third. Isn't this much better? I bet it is. Instead of having miserable bullcrap, actual blue clutch blue shell of the year. That was one of the clutchest blue shells of the year. Counting that one, putting that in the video. Next race, onto DS Peach Gardens. Onto Peach Gardens from the DS. Let's see if we can have fun on this one. Wow. That's one, really, Beef Boss? That's one of the clutchest bullets. Blue shells I ever seen in Mario Kart. Came out the perfect timing. Perfect timing blue shell if I ever seen one. Got in my way, Wario. Big fat turd. That's one of the clutchest blue shells I ever seen. Waluigi, no, we're not having this again like last time. Bowser, good Bowser. He ate his own, he ate his own green shell. Nice one, Waluigi, I saw you. Okay, whoever threw that called me. Whoa, why? Why is everything gonna screw me? And King Boo didn't even pow dodge, and also pow didn't go up on my screen, so good thing I had to stick my weird mode, and I hit a fence and do this all the time when I stop in a weird position. This game is so rigged. Give me some juice. Yes, Gold Fastmobile, Golden Mushroom, Go, Speed, twice, 5,000, whatever. Hey, bird. No, Chain Shop, you absolute... Nope. Oh, I didn't go the long way. I'm gonna have to get the boxes. Give me the boxes. Okay, shock. That did something. I don't know why I even did that, but I did that for no good reason. For content, I believe. Also, So the star's gonna do nothing, by the way. Oh, Wario, get wrecked. Get wrecked. That's the second time I hit Wario with my star. 2 times in a row. Good. Nice one, Diddy Dong. Then I saw you. Out of my way and let me get first. Let me get first and let me win this race and no more screw-ups. I just want to get a special cup already. Yeah, how many licks does it take to get to the center of the Tootsie Pop? The world may never know, but hopefully someone will know how many licks will take, and someone will count it on a piece of paper and write it down of how many it takes. Of course, yeah, nice one. Eat that. No blue shells, no red shells, no pals. I'm good! Awesome! I won that race from DS. Heh, 69-8 from Koopa. 2:59.69.8. That's hilarious. Koopa finished the finish line and 2:59.69.8. That's hilarious. On to GCN DK Mountain. Whatever. GCN DK Mountain. From Double Dash. Mountain 8 Deluxe. And Mario Kart Wii. Yes, good. You look surprised. Why are you happy? I don't know why I did that. You were drifting on like on its side or something. This is literally a mountain, alright? Okay, and then the boulder just I just went land on right on top of that boulder. I like how the minimap on DK Mountain. It looks like a human intestines. Isn't that funny to look at? I bet it is. Ah, of course. Red Shell and Shock. Red Shell and Shock. What a great combo. And then Wario, after hitting him with my star 2 times, finally gets revenge and pushes me out the edge. Good job. You did good for once, at least. You know what? Here's a little... Actually, this was probably the worst spot to use my stick. That was one of the worst spots to use your star. Do some juice. Shock. Really? A shock and 8. I hate hitting the wall and then doing that. That sucks so much. Give me a box. Nope, we just not them. Oh, blue shell! I love blue shells. Yes. Out of my way. Make way for the beef to the boss. Winning this track for once. All out, baby! What? Go! That made good. A good juicy item. No blue shells coming after me. Hopefully they don't. Well, there's no blue shell coming after me. I'm jinxing the game. I'm jinxing it. How? Pow and blue shell? Game? Game? Pow and blue shell? Pow and blue? Pow and blue? Wait until someone in last place gets a blue shell and then throw it. Blue shell. Shot. Blue shell. Blue shell! Just go. Any blue shells? Any blue shells coming my way? I'm jinxing it! No blue shells? Wow! And a pow! Wow! Pow! Wow! Anyways, under that one meme, beat boss. Remember that one meme? It's like, wow. Remember that meme? I bet you remember that meme. On to N6 to the 4 Bowser Castle. Let's see if nobody can screw me on this map and I can move on to Special Cup and move on with my life. In this game with Beef Boss, Luigi, don't even do it. Trying to be faster than me. I'm using a Mach Bike. What's good? Are you going to be a hater, Luigi? Are you going to be an absolute hater and take the lead? Nope. Definitely survived that one. Luigi and Waluigi. Get right. Luigi. No. Definitely do not avoid that pow. Okay. Yeah, right. No. I'm backing up, getting this box, getting 3 mushrooms, shove up my keister, and I feel like I'm in first. 10th. And then Luigi, medium weight character, shoves me to the side. Because, okay, I didn't get a boost. Because he's literally a good at the game. Oh, this is how Mario Kart Wii goes downhill real quick here. Give me a bullet. Thank you, game, for hearing me. Thank you, game, for hearing me. Wow, 10th. Not even funny. All the way to 10th, and that's where you stop me. All the way to 10th. No. All the way to 10th. You know what, Luigi? That's for you. On your Mr. Out of my way, following you things. Okay, gonna shove me. I don't know why Luigi is a medium and I'm a medium. And Luigi punches me to the side. Oh, bomb! And I almost got hit by it too. Ha! Nice one, Luigi. Very nice one. Get smushed. Bowser, you Jack Black looking. Do you yield? I think so! I hit the boost. Do you yield? Yes, he does. Oh, blue shell! Finally, someone sent a blue shell to Bowser. Good. He finally gets what he deserves. Nice one, red shell. Nice one. Out of my way. Why do you want to target? Stop targeting me. This is Bowser's castle. His own castle. Someone's cooking up here. Hit my own banana. Hit a red shell for no good reason. Do one of these things. Like always. I need a miracle. Finesse Knight! Okay, it goes over it. The Bowser's gonna win, obviously. Oh, yes, never mind, because the fire immediately just ruined his entire race. Oh, that's huge. Oh, that's huge. Oh, that's massive. Do you yield? Come on. Yes! I beat Jack Black at the last second. By milliseconds. By 10th of a last second. There we go. Finally, those are better than that one episode, than yesterday's video, than last video. Yep. Now we can move on to Special Cup. Yep, rank A. Yep, this is much better. And I logged a Blue Falcon for a lightweight? Huh? There we go. On to Special Cup we go. On to Special Cup to end it. And then we can be done with Beef Boss's profile, whatever. I might do geckos. That might come soon. Yep. I might do geckos. That might come soon. Who knows? Who knows what will come next? Mirror. bum ba da ba 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 da ba 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 ba. Let's do the Dolphin Dasher and let's see if we can win finally 2 Special Cups. So hopefully Special Cup won't screw me and be rigged like always. Honestly, Special Cup tracks are probably all the worst until Rainbow Road. That's probably the worst. This is probably the worst ever. And also Mario and Birdo are using the same cart. That's very epic. Let's use the Dolphin Dasher. Finally! Yeah, this is what I want. Oh, I went right through that bomb. Wow. Plus it was weird right there. Ba-ba-bum. I mean, yeah, the music's catchy. It's a Mario game, and it's catchy. Because why not? Why not make Tri-Toy Ruins music catchy? Because why not? Throw that banana just somewhere. Oh yes, blue shell. Yep. Oh yay. Fake Diamond Box, shocked, and red shell. That is definitely fair. Look at my little smirk on my knee. On Beat Boss's knee. Yay! I'm doing pretty good right now. Oh yes, blue shell! Oh man, that was super lucky. I almost got hit by Bowser's blue shell there. That was super lucky. That was extremely lucky too. Come on, get out of the sand. So many those. This is first take right here, no screw-ups. Nice placement. No, we're good. We're good. In the bag. We won. Bom, 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 bom. Never noticed that cool little me logo on the bottom of the Dolphin Dasher. I never knew that. They trying to hide secrets from me. Anyways, Moonview Highway. Now in 8 Deluxe from Wave 5. So, good for them, I guess. I like how the tires pattern, really. I like how the tires pattern look like water a little bit. Never realized that. Alright. Come on, hurry up. Yeah, who thought that was a good idea? Add big giant trucks. Thought that was a good idea. There's Gecko. Oh, come on. There's Gecko in a flower. Out of my way. Oh, bam! Shock dodge! No! I did not power dodge that. That's interesting. I shook this thing like a baby and literally did not do anything. No bomb! I like it when cars turn around the corner immediately, including with a bomb. Ha! Nice one, Birdo. Nice one. Stop it. I had enough of these. Yeah, who thought it was a good idea to add cars? Like, this is gonna be so much fun until we get ran over by every single car and it's frustrating. Yes, I know. And then Wario, Big Fat Bird, is gonna win. Hopefully. Squid Game, you're not... I swear And then... Beep, blue sky! No. Now it cost me the race. A whole entire race. Out of my way. Out of my way. Pow dodge! I made the pow dodge. I made the pow dodge. I made the pow dodge. Go! There we go. Phew, that was a nail biter on that race. Moonview Highway is complete. Now we have to get through Bowser's Torture House and then Rainbow Road and then we can end it. Bowser's Castle, Torture House. Let's see if Torture House, Bowser's Castle can do any worse and screw me a lot on Grand Prix with B to the boss. Get it. Yes, good Wario, that's what you get. Oh man, that was a lucky bomb right there. That was a, no, stop it. Stop favoring in my way. Like, stop doing that. Eat that. Someone did not eat that. Okay, someone did. Someone eat that. No, fire. Fire and wire, water and fire. I want to aspire. Be Dr. Trash to play the shit and I'm dead. I'll be don't never travel. I'm in the flop. Coming out the bed. I'm with a drip and a bed and I'll be and all these races that are being less ball. Do some shot. Phone. Bring a lane up down and fall. Okay. Go! Go! Wario! Got a star. So what it goes. Koopa Poopa. Bam! A scary bomb. As soon as that bomb exploded, I ran right into a banana, almost avoided that green shell. This is mirror mode, so... Okay! Yeah, right. No! Right into the lava! Hit by a red shell into lava. Seriously. Hit by a red shell into lava. No! Oh man. Oh man. Almost got hit by a fake item box, including that banana. Out of my way. Fall on you things. You're a pain in the butt to get. Oh man, nice one. Okay, nice one to me, because I can't drive. And then Waluigi shoved me from a medium weight. Like, nice one, Waluigi. Nice one, Mario. Chris Pratt. Get him. Have to go out back, not forward. Fake on a box. Wario's ahead. That's a big surprise. Ah, nice one, Wario. Nice one. No! Right into a blue shell, into lava, into 7th, onto the final lap. No, Waluigi. I already had enough of you in N64 Bowser's Castle. I don't need you to hear more of it. Oh man, even Bowser. Oh yes, blue shell. Thank you for throwing that blue shell for me. Oh, come on, Shock. Why did you have to come at the worst timing, too? I need something miracle. I need a God-block box, triple shrooms, and 8th place, shove it up my keister. And I got 5th. I literally got 5th. I got 5th. Yes, awesome. I'll take the 5th. Yeah, might as well pull it. They're in the cutscene. Flip me over. 37 points in the lead. Alright, heading into the final and last race, Wii Rainbow Road. Hopefully this won't screw me just like the naked looks. Wii Rainbow Road for the final race. Will I get luck? Will I win? Or will I win with Beef Boss? The time will tell. And Waluigi shoved me out the way because he's literally that good. And put me all the way back to the beginning. Why not, Link T2? Why not? Did you have better odds to put me? Put me right at the beginning? I can feel like I'm miserable and... Yeah, Golden Mushroom. Shove this up my keister real good. And I love this. This whole... Jack off! Even in Wii, it's so stressful. Well, in 8 Deluxe, I don't know why that's bigger in Wii since 8 Deluxe. Red Shell just fall off the edge because he didn't know what to do besides fall off the edge like an idiot. Boost, yeah, Red, oh, bam, shock dodge. I'm getting so much bam shock dodge in every race. It's not even a joke right now. Not even a joke, no. Beef Boss, keep on track here. I didn't get that boost, but whatever, this boost right here. What am I supposed to do with this? Cover out my keister real good. Out of my way. Out of my way. Out of my way. Oh, power dodge. No, Beef Boss. Gonna get the boost. Give me a boo boost. Boy, finally! Finally some luck has a pond on me. Give me a bullet in 5th. Thank you very much. All the way to 3rd. No. Oh yes, blue shell. Oh, come on. Out of my way. I really wish that was the final lap. Don't you dare, Wario. Wario, don't you even dare. Fuck. Eat that. Oh, you little lucky little wiener. You little lucky little wiener. You know what? Screw you. I'm going this way. You can go ahead and take the long way. No, I meant to throw that back. What am I doing? Oh, man. Oh, man. I'm in disbelief what just happened right there. I was just going over the place, going wacky in Ohio. I have no idea what I'm doing. It's the 3rd lap. I pow dodged at the last second. Almost fell off the edge. Shrek, blue shell. Come out of thin air. No, Wario. Wario, please don't. Wario, this is for my own health. Let me win. Let me win. Let me win. No! If I would fall off the edge, that could have been it. But nope, we won the first. Just like that. Next. Finally. So many years. Finally. Finally get deserved. Yep. C-rank. I don't care. So with that, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Hopefully you love my content, and I'll see you guys maybe in the next one. If you guys can subscribe and comment, 7 comments or 20 comments if you guys can support this a lot, and I might see you in the next one. Maybe I'll upload. I don't know. Maybe the next one. Who knows? I'll see you until another video. Bye! Please subscribe so I can get to 1.7K. Bye.